Hey, what's up guys? So we're back at it here in the garage. Today we are going to be working on something that I've wanted to do for a really long time to grow my garage period. Since moving into the new garage, I just wanted to do something that'll keep me warm, and you know, there's only so much that you can do. I looked around on Amazon and whatnot to try to find some really cool deals. I actually went to Home Depot and was like, hey, they have something here for a garage insulation kit. And so I actually have it right here behind me. It's the Matador installation kit. And so we're gonna actually throw that on today. They say it's pretty simple. You only need a couple tools, like no specialty tools required, no tacking it in, no whatever, or glues, anything else like that. So it's literally just measure out your garage door, cut the insulation or the foam, and then slide it on in, and it's done. So I think that's a pretty cool, easy process to do, and I guess we'll just get started. So that way I don't freeze my butt off out here working on the motorcycle and everything else. So let's get to it. Look at that. It's cut like this so that you can bend it into place. So your next step is to sit here and measure. So you're gonna go in, all right, to your pole, to the edge inside there, and then measure it out. It's about 47.5. And then go back over to your board, measure 47.5. I mean, that's what mine is. Yours could be different. It's adjustable for you for custom garages or whatever. So there you go. Measure it out and then cut it and then throw it in. Alright, so this is pretty ugly, and good thing this hides it, so yeah. So this thing bends for reasons. Broke that. Yeah, I guess cut around for these things. Alright. Trim as necessary, right? not cut it a little too precise there. Alright. That looks like crap right there, but hey, it's in. And it doesn't look too bad. Minus, you know, whatever. But not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, so now just continue on measuring, adjusting what you need to do. I have some screws and stuff in these. So I'm probably gonna have to put some lines in, going this way and then up here also. So that's what I ran into down here, and then up here is I have screws right here. It was a little tough to push in. So I just kind of figure out where those are, and then just make some lines with your razor blade and just kind of do it like that. Other than that, I mean, I think it's not too bad. So I'll do a time lapse and we'll see how all this goes. Alright, sorry. I did the most stupidest thing in the world. Hold on, let me fix this. Oh man. There you go. Alright. So I did like the most stupidest thing in the world. Completely like beginner YouTube noob thing. I started filming without actually checking my batteries. You should probably do that before you actually get to filming on stuff. You know, check your battery levels before you get started. Anyways, as you can tell, I got a third of the way done from the 3-car garage kit. If you are interested in doing this, I'll put a link in the description below about where you can pick this up. Again, I went to Home Depot, got mine. There's many other different brands that are very similar to this. You can get it from Lowe's, Home Depot, you can get it from Amazon, but I will throw in that Home Depot link description in below so that y'all can kind of see it, and if you're interested in doing it yourself, you can maybe do it, or if you need to hire me, I'll still make you do it by yourself. But yeah, so I have a 3-car garage, and so like one box will do like a single stall, like 1-car garage. So if you got 3-car garage, get 3 boxes. If you got a 2-car garage, get 2 boxes. So that way it's just, it's the way it was told to me through their website and all their stuff. But yeah, it's not that hard. I've broken off a couple pieces here and there, in some sections. Up on, right here, this rail right here was very hard to do. I actually cut a huge section out of the board, because you're supposed to cut the board anyways to fit it to your length. So I had cut it out, and then a 2.5 inch strip on the end, which fits in that little gap right here, right there. Yep. So I did that. So split it right there, and then buttoned up the rest of it, so it looks great. I did break a little bit of it up on the top edge, right there, right there. The wheel thing, that the guide, the rail, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. The wheel that sticks out and goes along the edge, it sticks out, and I couldn't get the styrofoam piece on there, so I cut a little bit and then like shoved it in there. It was a horrible thing. But anyways, so yeah, that's the video for today. If you're interested again in doing this, I will put that the link in the description below. If you like content like this, or if you're trying to see more stuff that you can possibly do at your own, garage or anything else like that, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a ton more stuff here in the garage. I already got plans to do some paint and some pretty cool other things. I'm gonna wait on that to announce it quite yet. Kind of waiting back from a friend of mine right now to see what we can do or not. So yeah, we'll see what we got going. And if you liked today's video, please hit that like button. If you want to get notified about more, hit that subscribe and that bell notification right next to it. And it'll send you a little thing saying, hey, post a new video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. And again, thanks so much. See ya.